HUAWEI Pura70 Ultra lighting pop-up camera. Capture the moment, leading the next wave in photography. How was it made? It is through nearly 1,000 intricate processes with tens of thousands of reliability tests. Now let's explore the wonders of technology. Precision manufacturing in a pristine dust-free environment, in a Class 100 cleanroom, maintaining aerospace-level cleanliness to protect the creation of the camera. Through 255 steps that assemble precise parts into the retractable lens structure, demanding tolerance control within 0.01 millimeter, as delicate as a hairline engraving. A key step is manually embedding precision gears, achieving a high precision alignment of 0.005 millimeters, akin to the meticulous craftsmanship of a Swiss watch, only achievable by skilled artisans. Throughout the manufacturing process, strict laser calibration ensures precision at every step. Beneath the retractable structure, the adjustable aperture is meticulously assembled onto the lens with a precision of 0.015 millimeters, akin to the thinness of a silk thread. Once precisely assembled, the camera is ready to be integrated into the smartphone. For optimal lens performance, thorough tests are essential. 20,000 stress tests and 300,000 load-bearing tests were done to ensure smooth lens retraction. It passes the most rigorous inspections, performing effortlessly even 2 meters underwater. Only after passing such stringent tests can it enter mass production. HUAWEI Pura70 Ultra lighting pop-up camera. Fine machining and super durable. Rise to shine, ready to capture the moment.